Welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing, right? So why would you want to change your Google Chrome search engine to Bing? Maybe you don't want to use Google Chrome. So today I will show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing, right? So by the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written in section there. So right now you can see this is my Google, it doesn't matter it's a Brave or any other or Google Chrome, any other browser. So on the top right side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Just click over there, and after that you have to go to the setting, right? And here if you see here somewhere you will find your search engine, right? In the Google Chrome generally it is in the starting, right? So but in the Brave it is here. So let me show you search engine, and here you can see normal Windows search engine used in the address bar. So basically whatever it's open, for example here, so you can see this is Google, right? So if I want to change it Bing, I can do it, and if I want to change it any other thing, I can change it here. So you can see there are many search engines, right? So I will make sure this is it, and the private window, right? You can also make sure that whatever the windows you are opening right now, that is this, right? And whatever you can change according to you. So this is it guys, and this is really very easy. So there you go. If you want to know how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing, this is the easiest video I know. And if you know any another way how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.